According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 422.11a, each hydromassage bathtub must be supplied by an individual branch circuit rated at not less than 20 amps. This code requirement means the entire circuit, including the receptacle itself, must be rated for a minimum of 20 amps to ensure safe and reliable operation of the hydromassage tub. A violation occurs when the installed wiring and receptacle do not meet this minimum 20 amp requirement, creating a potential hazard. The presence of a 15 amp attachment plug on the hydromassage tub does not negate the requirement for a 20 amp rated individual branch circuit. While the manufacturer may have included a 15 amp plug, it is critical to understand that this does not override the NEC stipulation for a 20 amp circuit dedicated to the tub. The discrepancy between the 15 amp plug and the 20 amp circuit requirement is likely due to the appliance's normal operating current draw, which might be within the 15 amp capacity, but the code mandates the circuit be rated to handle higher loads and provides an additional margin of safety, accounting for potential surge currents and ensuring long-term reliability. There are several potential solutions to rectify this situation and bring the installation into compliance with the NEC. Firstly, the 15 amp attachment plug could be replaced with a 20 amp plug. This option involves ensuring the tub's internal wiring and components are also rated to handle the potential increase in current draw. Secondly, a 20 amp receptacle can be installed. This involves replacing the existing 15 amp receptacle with a 20 amp rated receptacle that matches the existing 20 amp branch circuit. Thirdly, the entire circuit could be replaced with a 20 amp circuit. This is already the case since a 20 amp individual branch circuit was installed. It is important to verify all components are rated for 20 amps. Selecting the best solution depends on a comprehensive evaluation of the specific installation and the hydromassage tub's electrical characteristics. It's critical to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure the chosen solution not only resolves the code violation but also guarantees the safe and reliable operation of the hydromassage tub. Ignoring the NEC requirement for a 20 amp individual branch circuit on a hydromassage tub can lead to several potential safety hazards. Overloading the circuit is a significant risk. Using a 15 amp receptacle on a 20 amp circuit could allow the user to plug in devices that draw more than 15 amps. This will lead to the circuit breaker tripping frequently. In more severe cases, it could overheat the wiring, potentially causing a fire. Electrical shock is another hazard. Hydromassage tubs are typically installed in or near bathrooms, which are considered wet locations. Ground fault circuit interrupter protection is vital. A faulty wiring configuration, especially one that violates the NEC, can increase the risk of electrical shock. Inadequate grounding is a further risk. A properly grounded circuit is essential for safety, especially in wet locations. An improperly wired or underrated circuit may not provide adequate grounding, increasing the risk of electrical shock. Damage to the appliance may occur if the electrical supply is not matched to the tub. An inadequate circuit may cause the tub's motor or other electrical components to work harder, potentially shortening their lifespan or causing them to fail prematurely. It is imperative to rectify any electrical code violations related to hydromassage tub installations to mitigate these potential hazards and ensure the safety of the occupants. Consulting a qualified electrician is strongly recommended to assess the situation, recommend the appropriate solution, and perform the necessary electrical work in compliance with the NEC.